And on this system, you have a good overview of all the charging points you have on your deck. You can put them in different groups. On this ship, we have the first group, charger 1 to 10, the second group, 11 to 20, and you can maneuver them in a group, or you can maneuver them individually. You can see any fault they have, if the status, if it's charging or not. The EV owners, they will plug in their cars, and when the crew see that everything is okay and it's safe to start charging, they will press the button to start charging. And even then, that's where the group control is, and they can send the start signal to all the cars. Monitoring the charging process is important, and there we get fault signals from the charger and the charging equipment and other parts of the charging system that is shown on this display. And all the alarms are collected in a usual alarm list, where you can monitor this and acknowledge the alarms and clear the alarms to the normal. We're monitoring the temperature in the chargers. We're monitoring the connection between the charger and the car. And also, if we detect anomalies in the charging process, these type of alarms will be sent in. Yes, you will be able to see how much you are currently charging or what voltage you are doing, and you can also look at trends where you can see the graph, and then you can get the more detailed views, and you can get the detailed report from the backend part. Done in two different steps. When we're designing the system, so it's limited by the thickness of the cables, the power, the available power when we design and tender a system like this, and there we will set the maximum per charger. But during the voyage, the power can vary depending on how much power is available on the ship. Then there is this dynamic part of it, and that works within a second. So when we get the signals from the power management system to our central system, that will immediately be communicated out to the chargers and reduce the quota. By default, all our system is integrated with the IIS. And what we see here is where the cars are, and so this is what a deck crew could access. We also have possibility to integrate in the system inside engine control rooms, and that could be the IIS systems, of course, where we send all the alarms necessary. We can also make integration where you can also control the charges and see other metrics. The IIS is always integrated, and that is part of what is required in this EV charging system. There is a difference in philosophy if you look at EV charging system on board a ship and on land. On land, if you're operating a charger, you will always want the charger to work. If you look at the boat, in one sense you are on the opposite side of it. You will only want the chargers to operate when it's safe and when you see it safe. When everything is confirmed, everything is as it should, then the charging can